Hi, this is John with WTI. And right here with me, I have one of my best options when it comes for snacking or while I'm between classes. I don't have too much time to do a big meal. I get one of this One Crunch protein bars and I'm good to go. So this is straight ahead. This is 16 grams of protein, really low in sugar, 1 gram of sugar. So this is a nice set of protein bars. This is a peanut butter chocolate flavor, and it's just awesome. It gives you this really crunchy sensation in the outside, but soft in the inside. That it just gives you a really nice sensation, a filling sense. And as I'm trying to keep up with my protein goals over the day, this is actually a great help for me that I'm trying to keep up with it. Great flavor, convenience is at the top because I just put this around in my backpack or anywhere around me. I just have it laying down in my desk and I'm just good to go. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.